Are you struggling with lengthy construction timelines and rising costs? Imagine a solution that simplifies the entire process, boosting efficiency and reducing waste. Introducing prefabricated factory construction. This innovative approach allows us to create precise building components in a controlled factory environment, ensuring high quality while significantly cutting down on construction time. With prefabricated construction, your dream space can be realized faster and more cost-effectively than ever before. Forget the hassles of on-site delays and unpredictable expenses. By choosing prefabricated solutions, you're investing in a smarter, streamlined way to build that brings your vision to life with minimum downtime. Ready to transform your construction experience? Take the first step today and discover how prefabricated factory construction can save you time and resources while delivering the high-quality results you desire. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.